Australian manufacturing is facing many challenges that are resulting in new ways of doing business to stay competitive.
One of the challenges, of course, it stems back to the late 90s and 2000s, is the skills shortage.
A lot of competition in the local market and a lot of competition internationally as a result of the high Australian dollar.
Offshore's becoming a major player with their low labour costs. While that's going up a little, we're nowhere near it. So we have to upgrade our skills and our technology and compete at that level.
By upskilling and developing their workforce, many manufacturers are finding a new competitive edge that keeps them ahead of the competition.
Training's definitely made Brights more competitive in the market.
We know how important training is. We've all established that we'll improve efficiencies and throughput in our workplace. It'll make it a safer workforce, reduce our lost time injuries. Those things assist us getting to our targets of growth over the last 2 or 3 years.
One of the barriers to training has been the high cost. To deal with this barrier, the Australian Government's National Workforce Development Fund provides financial support for training in skills critical to the needs of your business. Manufacturing Skills Australia manages the NWDF and helps business, small or large, with the application process.
Manufacturing Skills Australia, the role that they played was certainly helping us pull our application together so that we could access the funds.
With the NWDF, we take a lot of that headache out of the process by assisting companies to put their applications together.
The process of obtaining the funding was surprisingly straightforward. When you're receiving funding like that, normally there's a lot of red tape. There's not a lot of red tape in this.
The fund has enabled many businesses to implement training and see real growth.
All the companies that have applied for the funding have been successful, and they've all come back and reported that the funding has given them a real boost to their business, and without the funding they would be further back from where they are now.
We are doing very well. Without the assistance from the government, we wouldn't have been in the position we're in now. The market would have torn us apart.
Talk to MSA about how you can access the fund and see the benefits flow to your business.
The National Workforce Development Fund is a success and it needs to continue. A lot more businesses need to take advantage of that.